Our Airbnb, it's offering breakfast. It's not included, but it's for $5 only, and it comes with like I think beans, rice, eggs, coffee, and I heard the coffee here in Costa Rica is pretty darn good. And I think orange juice as well. But yeah, we are like in La Fortuna. It's a whole bunch of like Airbnbs, hotels. Super humid. This is how the roads look. There's a rainforest, chocolate tour right there, and yeah, all the way straight down. It's kind of cloudy. It did rain last night, so it feels a bit humid. There's kind of like an overcast. That's our pool over there. It's a pretty big pool. No jacuzzi unfortunately, but you know, anything's better than nothing. But yeah, the Airbnb is pretty nice, you know. First time being in like a cabin like this. It's literally green all around us. And yeah, wild animals, a lot of insects. We are at Cabina La Catarata. It hasn't been like all that. The communication hasn't really been there. The communication is good when you book, but after you book, kind of goes missing, and there's no internet. So that's one thing y'all have to really figure out, that the internet here sucks. But other than that, we're just getting ready to eat. We'll show you guys how it looks, the food, and yeah, we'll have breakfast and head our way.
That's really good.
Pineapples and butter?
Well, that's their thing here.
Really good.
They say it's a hybrid with Hawaiian and Brazilian pineapples, and that's what they created.
It's really good.
What?
The pineapples?
Pineapple?
The pineapples are bomb. They're hella good.
I think it's the best one.
Yeah. What?
Bro, that's hella good.
That's the best fruit here.
Good dog. What is eating?
Plantain, sausages. What kind of cheese is this?
I think they're like they're queso fresco kind of. Theirs.
What do you think, man? Look good?
Yeah, I just want some beans.
Okay.
I love beans.
Bean, cheese, tomatoes, potatoes. Doggies. This is where it gets interesting. It starts getting pretty steep. They made like little roads though. Was that an animal or someone did that?
A person just touched their shoe in the
Oh.
water. Well, me too. We probably don't have big Catarata.
Oh, this is nice. Like catarata.
Careful, guys.
Difficulty.
You know, I'm not a hiker, so I won't say the shit was easy because that would be a lie. But it wasn't bad. The hardest part was the steep parts where it got like kind of steep going up. But I actually really had a good time.
Like a 3, 4 out of 10.
Like a 4, just because of the steepness. But I think it's amazing what having the right clothes does for you. Because any other time, like my back be hurting, my legs be hurt. But I have good shoes, good pants. Had a good time. We're gonna go see the waterfall.
Everybody coming back up from the waterfall. It looks like they're dying, but I guess we're gonna have to. You know, you have to go down to see the waterfall and then come back up. Yeah. But yeah, let's go.
What if we could stop the pain from hurting? What if we knew that love could mend the spirit broken into? Reverse that broken feeling. Just say I do, and I will follow wherever you may go. I know it's so uncertain, but I'm tired of hurting now. All my tears and searching, gonna open up my curtains now. 'Cause I don't wanna miss out. Take me on a big adventure, baby.
All right, guys, it's been a long day. Not really, but
Well, no.
yeah, it's a hike. You know, you gotta be like, you gotta put some oomph into it, because you know it's going down the stairs to go all the way at the bottom of the waterfall.
That's the easy
That's
part.
yeah, that's the easy part. And then coming back up, that's when it gets more tough. Like you gotta, your legs are gonna be burning, but
Sure.
it's for sure doable. You know, take your time. Don't rush it because you don't want to slip, especially
I'm sorry, go ahead.
especially when it's like, you know, it rained the night before, so everything's kind of slippery.
Yeah, I was noticing that, like on the ground, especially going up was fine, like because there's like pavement part of it's a pavement, and then some of it's like most of it's rocks. But the pavement part, when we were coming back down, I noticed it was like slippery, so you have to really be careful because it rained a lot yesterday.
Yeah.
But it's one of those things where I feel like if I could do it, you could do it, because I'm not a nature person or a hiker, but I actually really enjoyed this hike and getting to see the waterfall. Watch that.
Yeah, but yeah, definitely recommend. It's a very nice view.
Yeah.
But yeah, the how much was the what's it called, like the entrance and all that?
So the parking was 2 colones, which is, or 2,000 colones.
Yeah, it's
Which is about $3.50. And then to get in, they only take card, no cash.
yeah. Make sure for the entrance fee you have to use a
Card.
credit card because they don't accept cash.
Yes, and the entrance was $13 USD. So we paid $26 for the both of us
Yeah.
to do this hike. And once you get in, they have like 5 different attractions. One of them was closed today. We only did the waterfall, but there are different attractions you can go see if you know you want to do that.
Yeah, but that is the end of this video. This is Rio Celeste in Costa Rica. This is our first country in Central America. This is the beginning of a new series, but yeah, you know, come check it out for yourself. And this is then we'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out. Only in Costa Rica you could be going on a hike and it starts raining out of nowhere. Yeah, we got poured on pretty hard, but it stopped. That's how Costa Rica is. Like, it could rain 1 minute and the next minute it's hot and humid. Make sure y'all bring your rain jackets because, you know, you get wet.